Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some critical updates in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain innovation. In a surprising move, Trump Media has filed for a Crypto Blue Chip ETF, aiming to give mainstream investors access to top cryptocurrencies. Plus, Congress has declared next week as Crypto Week, with 3 major bills on the table. These developments could reshape the future of digital assets in the US. Let's break it down. The proposed ETF would include 70% Bitcoin, 15% Ethereum, and more, marking a significant step for crypto in traditional finance. This signals a strategic alignment between crypto and politics, especially with the 2024 elections approaching. By backing a crypto ETF, Trump is positioning himself as a champion of decentralized finance. Meanwhile, Congress will debate bills that could redefine crypto regulation in the US. If passed, these bills could provide much-needed clarity for crypto businesses and protect consumers. The anti-CBDC Act is particularly noteworthy, opposing a centralized digital dollar and advocating for privacy and autonomy. So, what does this mean for the market? Institutional interest is rising, and clear legislation could open doors for broader adoption. We're shifting from speculation to legitimacy. Strong projects like Bitcoin and Ethereum are likely to thrive. This is a pivotal moment for digital assets, and the next few weeks could shape the future of crypto in the US. If you found this update valuable, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. What do you think about the proposed ETF and the anti-CBDC legislation? Let me know in the comments.